Hello everybody, I am Shrantal from ApoTHEOSeS. I am the creator. Today I will show you how to import your home song in Second Life to put inside your Jukebox or any box music you want to have your home song. So the first thing to do is to go to the Google to download the software Audacity. It's a free, so you go there, you look which kind of computer you got and you can download. It's open source, so it's free. As soon you will have uploaded, you just open it. Just a second. Okay, I have opened Audacity. So the next thing to do is to bring a song inside your Audacity software. How to do it? You open on your computer the place you have placed the song. I just downloaded from the bank for free ride of YouTube. It's not so. You left click and you drag it inside. So after you have done it, you can see you got a lot of space. So you can amplify it for at the maximum volume to bring in SL because the volume is always a bit low. So what you have to do, you have to selection first to be all white. So you can go to the effect, to amplification, and you have to authorize the saturation. And for example, if I put at 10, it will be too much. It will hear like distortion. So as you can see, it's very helpful. So I just cancel the amplification. I will do it again. But this time I will put just at 3. So you see it's just touch the top and the bottom. It's not so bad. So let's try again. Like it? You can put it more big if you want to work to put some effect on your voice of anything. So you can put on plus, and with the bar you scroll, and you can see we have a lot of space. It's empty. We don't need it. So with this line, you come, you highlight, and you cut with the scissors. Where's my scissors? It's there. Got it. So no need this time. It's a loose time. Same thing at the beginning. Come here. What it will be white, it will be cut. So cut. It's done. If I start again for turn, straight away it's up to you. Okay. Again, for work on my song, I will need to select. So I click on select. Now in Second Life, the maximum of length of each part of the song have to be a maximum 10 seconds, and you have to import to upload all your segment in a WAV kind of song music. So first of all, we're gonna split it in maximum 10 seconds. Where we go on a tool. This is French, but I guide you. You will probably have in English the name tool. You click, and at the last one, you mark in interval, regular intervals. So you click, and what is important, it's the second you want to 10. Interval of the marker, you can have how many marker you want. How many interval? No, we want the maximum the time, so it will be the interval of the marker. So you put the second. Me, I like to put 10. It's easy. Some prefer to put 9.8 for have the continue different. So it's up to you. But on my Jukebox, I put 10 seconds the script to read. So all my songs, they are at 10. So like this, I don't need to reset my Jukebox each song for different length of wave time to work properly and to don't be on mess one over another. So I leave it at 10. I want to start the number of the song at 1, of course. So I said, okay, I validate. I will have 19 mark of interval of 10 seconds to bring on SL. I say, okay. So show you each marker of 10 seconds where it's gonna finish. So it's easy like that to have different. Now you want to save it with each segment of 10 seconds different, because you will have to bring an SL one by one. Of course, it costs a lot of money because it's 10 linden each segment. So if you want to do something for especially on one of your happy birthday card for yourself or your friend, but be sure you have the copyright before doing that. Okay, so for bring it, you just go on the file, you export and multiply, because you say yes, but I have to export and WAV. If you do it, you're gonna have just one. We want multiply. I don't want the export just one. I want the export all mine. So we're gonna say multiply. There, the format is WAV. This is very, very important. Leave it at 16 byte, okay? So here it's the folder where you put it. You have to choose. So you choose. You put anywhere you want. For example, me in the music, I will make a new folder. I'm gonna call it Nocturne. For now it's this one. So after I give the name, I will type 2 times. This is the Nocturne, the folder. I select. Okay. So I don't want all the name, because in Second Life, more the name is long on the song, more the script take time for read, and it can make it a problem. So keep it short. So what I do, I will erase it, and I like to put a dot. You will know why, because my script need a dot for work properly. So I put straight away a dot. It will put automatic on my 19. So now that's it. I export. He said, okay, you want to export the number 1. Okay. I said yes. He's gonna ask me the question until I finish to export the 19. So I have to do it 19 times. You just click until it's finished. So now I said, I export this. I say, okay. Now I know it's export to my computer. Okay, now I have import my segment of song on my folder Nocturne. So they are there. What you can see, it's I got a dot and slash. For my script, I put in my home Jukebox for make it work. I sell the Jukebox already with the script, so you can buy the Jukebox and just add your own song and make it work. What you do, you have to take it out the little bar. How to do it? You right click and you rename. You just click from and you delete. You do it one by one until the last. I retrieve you after on Second Life. I will bring my character avatar Shrantal, and I will show you how to upload the segment and how to install inside my own jukebox I sell on my store ApoTHEOSeS. Hello back. Now you see me as Shrantal with my avatar. I am the creator of ApoTHEOSeS. So what you see just back of me, it's my jukebox ready to have new song I will upload from my computer to Second Life. To do it, it's really easy. I use the Firestone viewer. You click on the build, upload, sound. You open the place where you have saved your sound, okay? And you just click 2 times to upload the one you want. So I have already uploaded the first. I will upload the second one. I click 2 times. You say the name, it's a WAV. Number 2, I upload, it's done London. So again, upload, sound. I do it with the 3. Upload. I will do it. Okay, as you can see, I got my 19 segment. I have done one new folder to put inside all. How to do the folder? You just right click, new folder. You give the name. I put Nocturne. That's it. After you click the first, you click shift with the left hand. With your mouse, you click at the last to select all. You right click, you cut. If you drag, you can go up and down so fast, so you don't have control. It's better to cut. To go on the place you want, you right click and you paste. So this one we will not need because all the segment is on this. Okay, so now the tricks. So now I present you my jukebox. Inside the jukebox is on the three piece. Here you got the radio station. If you click, you're gonna have a pop-up menu. And here you got a jukebox station. So for add the music, if you click, you have a pop-up menu to pick up a song and to make it play. So what we want to do is just to put inside the content of the jukebox at the right place where is the script to make it play. So how we do it, you edit the jukebox, you right click with your mouse, you edit. After, because it's a lot of parts they are linked together, you have to still edit the middle part where is the script of the jukebox. Here is the script of the last place is the resizer. We want to put the music where is the jukebox, so you edit linked. You click back in the middle and you wait, it's loading. So already I got 2 songs, Happy Birthday and in French. Okay, this is my script for my jukebox for make it play the song one by one. How we drag the music inside, as you put on your folder, you click at the first. With your left hand, you click on the shift. You continue to keep the button down with the shift. After, with your right hand on the left side of your mouse, you click on the Nocturne to select all. After, what you have to do is just to take it that you keep your finger on the mouse and you drag it inside. And you just leave your finger. You see? It takes time to depend your internet. And it's all there. It's done. So, if you want, after you just have to close it. We're gonna verify. We click. We pick a song. And Nocturne is there. You click at 3 for make it play. The volume for make it high. The wave time, you remember we put that at 10. So the wave time it's on 10. If you change the wave time to another, it's there. You go and you can, you start, now it's 10. You can add at 1.2 25, 0.10, 0.05, as you wish. Okay, so we want to make it play, you just make it play. On the top corner right, you open your sound volume. Simple like that. I just click on stop or make it stop. So now you are able to do what you want with your free copyright song. You can bring it to SL, or if it's not copyright, be sure it's only for you. It's just you can listen. So be sure it's on domain public and it's free copyright if you want to leave it to everybody. So this is my jukebox. You can find it at ApoTHEOSeS Store. This is a part near my club, my garden club. Here is the big ApoTHEOSeS Store. You can find it there too at the 5th floor. Or here, really simple, near the garden club, you can find it. You can try with the demo, but you will not able with the demo to add your song. But you can try it, always work here. And there, you got two kind of jukebox. One you can lead to the group, if your LAN is for the group. Or it's at your name, you have one, it's copyable. And you can add the both, you will be able to add your own music. You will do with Audacity software. So thank you for listening. Hope see you soon. Goodbye.